Hey buddy, everyone knows how hard it is to get good testimonials. How many times have you put testimonials on the pages where people land on your products? How much do you think those testimonials help you on a scale of 1 to 10? 4 maybe. Thinking face. I'll tell you how to solve this problem and got these valuable testimonials to work on almost 9 out of 10 of my landing pages. In these busy times, it can be hard to fit all the information you want to say on a landing page while keeping it short. Most of the time, people decide within 1.5 seconds if they want to stay on a landing page. And if they do, they stay for an average of 1 minute. Now, do you think they'd bother to read those boring testimonials on a landing page or watch the videos? Would you have done the same thing if it was someone else's landing page? So, to answer your question, no, I have made plans. I didn't just want to add the text testimonials or the video, so I chose to use it well. Secret hack 1. Create a beautiful video template and add the image of the person speaking in the video. Also try to sum up what they got out of my workshop and put it as text on the same image. Now, even if a person doesn't want to watch the whole video, he can still understand what it's about. Not only that, but this also lets someone watch just a few testimonials that they find interesting. This is how, my friend, I made the testimonials work better for me. Isn't that a smart thing to do? You can even do these strange things. But don't just use this plan as a model. Come up with some ideas and we'll talk about them. Hope you like this video. Please do like because this is free for you. But important for me, it motivates me to make more videos for you. And please do not click here to check growth hack.